Hey guys, on my way back from Spain to Netherlands, I was traveling through the highways and I was trying to get a pit stop like this to see the beautiful view of the oceans, and finally I could get to park my truck in this spot. You can see where I have parked my truck. So this is the main highway that you're seeing on the left side of me, and I took a small shortcut and I tried to enter into this small road, and then this is pretty much safe area. I think it's okay. I'll have to walk a little bit forward and try to see if I can cross these barriers, which is not a good idea, to jump it out and walk down to that beautiful spot you can see over there. Ooh, let me see if I can make it, and maybe it will take another 10 or 15 minutes of walk from here. Let me see the back side of my truck. There's a lot of space here. I don't think it's a problem. I can park it here, it seems. I'm not sure. There's no indication that this is a place that I can park any vehicles, but there is no other option for me right now. Anyway, I'm planning to go ahead and we'll see what's happening. Guys, I have stopped my truck in between because I found this beautiful spot here. It was on the way to France. I'm actually traveling through Bilbao borders in Spain, and I saw this beautiful scenic view, and I was trying to stop my truck for a while, but I couldn't stop for a long while, and somehow I managed to find a spot. And now I'm walking through some forest. I don't know if somebody was going to come and catch me, because if I'm trespassing some property. Yeah, it's great. Oh wow, what an amazing scenic place that I'm here. Whoa, the sea is calling, the sea is calling. Is there any way that I could jump into this beautiful blue water? Guys, this is so tempting. There's a very beautiful cliff over there. Oh, such a beautiful place. This world is so beautiful. Oh wow, this doggy is not liking me. You can see there's a hen farm here. Oh, a lot of hens. Nice hens. I'll show you the dog. Hello man, why are you barking at me? Come on, what's your name? She doesn't like the fact that I'm trespassing in this premises. Okay, I'm going. Bye-bye. No big deals. I'm not gonna come back. I was trying to figure out the way, but there was a fence and I could not walk down, and I was stuck. So now I figured out that there's a way around here, so now I can walk down here. Oh, is that dog going to jump and come back after me? No way. Okay, nice. Oh man, I came down all the way up from that top hill. So I'm wondering if I would walk through this road. I've seen some goat a few meters behind, and it was so beautiful. So that's what I was trying. And I also wanted to see if there's some pathway that could take me to the ocean. That's also something that I wanted to try. I think this is a pathway that I can take, but still I will have to. There is no fences here, so I think maybe I will try. There's nobody around here. I'm not sure if someone is going to come and kidnap me. My truck is parked on the road. Crazy ideas sometimes. Wow. It's full of grass. I don't know. Some might be. This is like a abandoned piece of land. Oh, nice. It takes me to the shore. That's beautiful. We'll go to the goats after this, maybe. In the evening I have some exercise, yeah. Oh, someone has filled some barrels of water. Oh, finally I'm here, guys. Finally. Oh, man. No, this is unbelievable. Wow. Wow. This is unbelievable. Yeah. Somewhere abandoned. Let me try walking a little bit down. Generally I don't walk like this, when I'm alone, but this is so tempting that I could not stop myself going down. Oh, there's a goat. Is it going to hit me? No, it's tied there, so I'm safe. I'm safe. I think I'm safe. I just think I'm safe, but I'm not sure if I'm safe. The door. Oh, this is a special breed of goat. Looks like the goat has a beard. That's amazing. And the goat is attracted to me. It's coming towards me. Oh, wow. Hello. How are you? It's running. It's running. Let me take a close up. The mother goat is not very happy that it was running to me. It is trying to protect her kid. Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Come on. What are they doing? This looks pretty nice. This is a variety of goat that I have never seen one of such kind. Oh wow, nice. Anyway, bye guys. I'm not wasting too much of time with you. I would want to get down here, but I don't think it would be a very good idea, because I could see some stairs down there, some stairs, but I'm not sure if I try to get down. Actually my mind says that I should get onto this rock and jump into this water. That's what my mind is saying. but I think I should not do that right now. Okay, that's fine. Jump into the water from this and swim across and get into this particular rock and stand on the top of that and take a selfie. That's what I wanted to do now. But that's okay. I understand that's not possible right now. I would have done it if somebody was there with me. Probably, yeah. Oh, to see the beauty of the nature. This is unbelievable. And finally, walking all the way down, I reached here where I saw the goats. This is a beautiful scenery. There's a particular plot. It's completely fenced. That's because of which I don't have any possibility of getting inside it. And I don't want to get inside it because there's all these goats with some bells. You can hear the sound of the bells. And it's making some noises, and if it come together to attack me, it would be devastating. Wow. Oh. Hello! Can you come near? I don't think it's coming this way. I think everyone is moving towards the other direction after seeing me. Okay. Okay, then I will try to come the other way around. So it's like I need to figure out where I'm going. So there's no pathway or anything. I'm just following the places where there is no fence so that I could make it up to the roads. Sometimes you can also go wrong in the directions when you travel like this. You have to be more careful. You have to remember where you came from and where you're going. Someone has broken the fence here for me, and because of which I could start back. Now I'm back on the road. There's an old Volvo coming. Wow. So this is a typical Spanish village, it seems, near to the border area. It's like a very remote area. I just had to take a cut from the main highway to come down into this place. I was actually looking for a place to come down, but I was not able to because generally you don't get to take an exit from the main highways very often. Yeah. Hello goats, can you come near? Looks like they are not very happy seeing me. Confused on what this guy is actually doing here. Okay. So this is, so I could see two varieties of goats today. I'm wondering why they have bells in the collar. They make sound. Okay. So now I'll have to walk a little bit forward to find my truck. I left my truck almost 1 kilometer and then I came back here. Here on the left side of me you can see a old Spanish house, maybe a little bit closer. Yeah, there's an old Spanish house. I'm not sure if people would actually like taking the videos or photos, but anyways, I don't care. So this is the entrance and this is the house. I think it belongs to some rich guy living in the Spanish coastal area. Okay, there's a guy going in the cycle. Hello. I could see a lot of people cycling here. Oh, there's another guy's house here. Where's more? Oh, the doggy is coming. Hello, guy. How are you? How are you? Hello, hello. He was not really happy. Hello, hello. Where are you? Where are you? He's not coming. Okay, let it be. I had a short break. Okay, anyway, I think it was nice that I could walk around and basically see this place for the last few minutes. And thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.